something's changed behind me.
We are growing vegetables on a budget.
Welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree and my series Growing Vegetables on a Budget, where I'm attempting to grow vegetables from scratch with only 30 Australian dollars. And I've done that this winter with broccoli, or I'm doing it rather. And today I'm going to give you a bit of an update. So last time you might remember that millipedes were really ravaging my broccoli, really killing their leaves off. It wasn't looking good. I've dealt with the problem largely, but then we were going into winter and it was getting cold. We were getting some frosty nights, and these really were struggling with that temperature after they'd been ravaged by the millipedes. And so I've attempted to get around that using milk bottles. Now what I've done here is I've actually made these milk bottles into little makeshift greenhouses. So what I've done, I've gotten a milk bottle, I have cut around the base using a knife, and then I'm just putting it on top of the plant. Now what that's going to do, it's going to protect it from the wind, it's going to keep it a little bit warmer and protect it from frost at night, and it's going to give it the best chance of success. Now some of these are getting a little bit bigger, and so I'll actually start taking the milk bottles off during the day, and I'll be putting it back on night just to get them used to being outside again in the wind and things. And long term we'll be looking at having a good harvest in the early spring, hopefully after that. The millipedes were too much for some of these, I'm afraid, and some of them have died, but we've still got a number of good, healthy plants, which are doing all right. Now, in terms of the budget, this has cost me essentially nothing because I drink milk as it is, and so just saving the milk bottles has been just a very easy way to reuse what I'm already using. I'm not buying anything else, and I'm getting a second use out of these bottles, and they'll still be recyclable at the end. We've still got some of the coldest nights of winter to come, and so I will be keeping a very close eye on these, and only making sure that I take the bottles off when they are big enough and I think that they're ready. But I'll acclimatise them first, and then they'll be full-time just in those containers. Keeping a close eye though for returning millipedes. Hopefully we don't get any more of those. And that's my Growing Vegetables on a Budget update for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and with that like button, make sure you subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any future updates, be it avocado related or growing vegetables on a budget related. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.